Are you a homeowner that wants to remodel your house but doesn't know where to start? How about a big dreamer with a limited budget? Maybe you're just anxious about deciding between a remodel or starting a new construction. Kevin Harris, architect, understands your worries and fears. For over 35 years, our firm has delivered a proven one-of-a-kind service which helps homeowners like you to decide the best path to reach your forever home. A design consultation, or DCON, is a standalone service providing homeowners with expert design and construction advice. A call to the office schedules a DCON. Then, the online application furnishes insights about you, your home, and your dream home. Next, you complete a home work assignment. This includes gathering site plans, surveys, photographs, Pinterest boards, and subdivision restrictions, all critical information for whichever route you take. DCON time. Kevin arrives at your home with all the information you submitted. He begins with a tour of your home, looking inside, outside, and maybe even in the attic or below. Tour completed, you all sit down for a conversation about your home and lifestyle. This is where the magic begins. Before your very eyes, Kevin sketches proposed improvements and can even make walls disappear, using his iPad, of course. This process goes on until a custom solution is achieved. Before leaving, Kevin reviews your checklist to ensure the most important questions were answered. You'll also discuss how to move forward in the construction process. This is not a system created to sell architecture services. The goal of a DCON is an informed homeowner prepared to take the next step in the journey for their forever home. All the results from your DCON are yours. The sketches, the ideas, and the knowledge are yours to keep and use on the path you choose to take. To schedule a DCON, call us at 225-924-7450 and fill out the DCON application below.